In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain on Wix. If you're switching platforms or just moving your domain to a new provider, this step-by-step guide will take you through the process seamlessly. So let's dive right in and get your domain transferred without any hiccups. To begin, fire up your browser and head over to wix.com. Log into your Wix account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, find your way to the dashboard. This is your home base on Wix. It's where you manage all aspects of your website. Next, we'll navigate to the settings. In the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar, and you'll spot the settings option. Give it a click. This section is like the control room for your site, and it's where you'll manage features, permissions, and of course, your domain. Once in the settings, our next move is to click on Connect, Manage, and Edit your website's address. This option is essential for domain management. It takes you to the page where you'll find all domain-related settings. Now look for the section asking what domain do you want to connect. Here you can manage the domain you currently have with Wix or set the stage for connecting a different one. If you're moving out, this is a crucial step because it ensures that your domain is ready for transfer. If at any point along this journey you find yourself stuck or unsure about something, don't hesitate to click on the Help section for any specific questions. Wix's support is robust and can guide you through any issues you might encounter. Remember, transferring a domain can sometimes feel daunting, but armed with these steps and the resources available on Wix, you should have a smooth experience. A few additional tips to keep in mind: make sure any emails associated with your current domain have been backed up or migrated to ensure you don't lose important communication. Also, check with your new provider regarding any specific settings or configurations they require for transferring a domain smoothly. Once you've tackled all these steps, your domain will be ready for transfer. You've successfully navigated the pathway to handing your domain over to another provider, maintaining control over your website's address. It's a pretty straightforward process once you know where to click and what to do, and now you're equipped with that knowledge. Thank you for watching, and happy transferring!